Hello everyone, this is a session on general aptitude. Let's start with the first question. If 25% can do a piece of work in 8 days, then how many persons can complete the same work in 20 days? So here we will understand the concept of product constancy. That is, work is proportional to number of men, number of days, number of hours, and also the efficiency, or W equal to MDHE, where the constant of proportionality can be taken as 1. If only number of men and number of days are mentioned, then W can be taken as M into D. So in this question, we will use the equation W equal to M into D. So it is given that same work is done, that is W1 is equal to W2, or M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. Given M1 is 25%, 25, D is the number of days, that is 8 days. Then M2 is to be found, number of days they took is 20 days, or M2 equal to 25 into 8 divided by 20, and that is equal to 10. So option A is the correct answer. Next question. It was estimated that 52 men can complete a strip in a newly constructed highway connecting cities P and Q in 10 days. Due to an emergency, 12 men were sent to another project. How many number of days more than the original estimate will be required to complete the strip? Here also, the work is same, W1 equal to W2. That is M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. Okay, what is M1? 52. Number of days they took is 10 days. M2. For M2, 12 men were sent to another project. That means from 52 we have to subtract 12. That is we get 40. And we are next is to find D2. Now D2 is 52 into 10 divided by 40. That is 13 days. So what was the original days? Original number of days was when there were 52 men, the original number of days was 10 days. And in the second case, when 12 men were sent to another project, they took 13 days. So question is to find how many number of days more than the original estimate. So how much more? More is 3 days. 3 days more than the original estimate. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. If 25 men can do a piece of work in 36 days working 10 hours a day, then how many men are required to complete the same work working 6 hours a day in 20 days? So here also work is same, that is W1 equal to W2, W1 equal to number of men, D1. Here number of hours is also to be considered, H1 equal to M2 D2 H2. So what is M1? 25. Number of days is 36. Number of hours is 10. And M2 is to be found. D2 is 20. H2 is 6. So M2 equal to 25 into 36 into 10 divided by 20 into 6. That is equal to 75. Okay, option A is the correct answer. Next question. A group of workers estimated to finish a work in 10 days, but 5 workers could not join. If the rest of them finish the work in 12 days, then determine the number of workers present in the team originally. Okay. Here also we can use the same equation, M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. So what is M1? M1 is to be found, that is the workers present in the team originally. Then D1 means 10 days. M2, what is M2? In the second case, 5 workers could not join. That means from M1 we have to subtract 5 workers. So M2 is M1 minus 5. And the number of days they took is 12 days. Now we can form an equation, 10 M1 equal to 12 M1 minus 60, or 2 M1 equal to 60, M1 equal to 60 by 2, that is 30. So the number of workers present in the team originally was 30, option B. Next question. If 2 men or 6 women or 4 boys can finish a work in 99 days, how many days will 1 man, 1 woman and 1 boy together take to finish the same work? Okay, here there are men, women and boys. So they will have different efficiencies. Let the efficiency of man be E1, woman be E2 and boy be E3. Now we will write the equation. The next slide. Okay, 2 men or 6 women or boys, 4 boys, they finish a work in 99 days. That is, what is the work? If a man is doing the work, then M, D, E. That is M1, D1, E1. That is equal to 2 men and they took 99 days and their efficiency is E1. Now, if the woman is doing the work, W equal to M2 D2 E2, that is 6 into 99 into E2. And if the boy is doing the work, then the work is, number of boys is 4, 4 into 99 into E3. So, they are doing the same work, so we can equate these three equations. That is, equation 1 equal to 2 equal to 3. 2 into 99 E1 equal to 6 into 99 E2 equal to 4 into 99 E3. 99 got cancelled. 2 cancelled here. Here it becomes 3. Here it becomes 2. That is E1 equal to 3 E2 equal to 2 E3. Okay. Now, how many days will one man, one woman and one boy together take to finish the same work? Now, one man, one woman and one boy, they are working together. That is, their work is to be added. That is M1 D1 E1 plus M2 D2 E2 plus M3 E3 D3 E3 is equal to the total work. What is M1? M1, M2 and M3, that is they are one man, one woman and one boy. And number of days, we can take it as D. Efficiency is E1. D E2 plus D E3. This is the total work. We can substitute the total work from this equation, that is 2 into 99 E1. Okay, now D can be taken outside. E1 plus E2 plus E3. Now E2 can be substituted in terms of E1. From this equation, E1 is equal to 3 E2. Therefore, E2 equal to E1 by 3. So here we can substitute E2 as E1 by 3. Now here also D is taken outside. E3 can be substituted in terms of E1. E1 equal to 2 E3. Therefore, E3 equal to E1 by 2. Okay, then E3 is E1 by 2. And this is equal to 2 into 99 E1. In this step, we have made all the efficiencies in terms of E1. Okay. Now what we'll do is, we can take E1 common outside, that is dE1 into 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 equal to 2 into 99 E1. Now E1 got cancelled. Now what is now this D into, we can take LCM as 6. 6 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 2 into 99, or D into 11 by 6 equal to 2 into 99, or D equal to 2 into 99 into 6 divided by 11. 11 got cancelled, 9. This is 108. So, number of days taken by one man, one woman and one boy together is 108 days. This is the final answer. Okay. Thank you for today.